In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to auto sum in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head over adding multiple cells or columns of numbers individually, this guide will be a game changer for you. Google Sheets offers a quick and effective way to sum numbers automatically, saving you both time and effort. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your account, and this will give you access to all your files stored in the cloud. Once you're in, look for the Drive icon, usually located on the left-hand side. A quick click will bring you to your main Drive page where all your documents are waiting for you. Now, to create a new sheet, find the New button on the left. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and others. For today, we'll be focusing on Google Sheets naturally. If you already have a sheet in mind that you want to work on, you can also open your existing file. Just navigate through your Drive and double-click on the sheet you want. Either way, you should have a Google Sheet open on your screen now, ready to go. Now we're getting into the exciting part. In your Google Sheets document, notice the rows and columns filled with data. Performing an auto sum is going to make processing this information a breeze. Manually calculating each cell can be tedious and time consuming, especially with larger data sets. That's where the auto sum feature becomes your best friend. Let's start with the simplest method. In a cell where you'd like to see the total, type in the equal sign, followed by the word sum and a parenthesis. Google Sheets is smart enough that as soon as you start typing, it will highlight the numbers for you. This way, you know exactly what's being added up. Alternatively, if you're keen on shortcuts, here's one for you. Simply press Alt and Alt on your keyboard at the same time. This little trick will automatically set up the summation for you, making the process even faster. After you've set up the sum function in the cell, just hit enter, and like magic, the total will appear. And that's it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you've set up an auto sum in Google Sheets. We hope this tutorial was helpful, giving you a clearer idea of how to make the most of this feature. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.